Hello and welcome. My name is Amulya and you are watching TubeMint. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install OpenCart 3 on Windows 10, 7 or 8 desktops and laptops. So, in order to install locally OpenCart on Microsoft Windows, we need to have Apache, MySQL and PHP pre-installed. If you haven't, and if you do not want to get into installing them one by one, what you need to do basically, you simply go ahead and look for XAMPP, which is kind of a package to install all together everything like Apache, MySQL and phpMyAdmin as well. So you can see, you simply go to apachefriends.org like this and then hit on download, and because it's cross-platform, if you are on Mac OS, you can download it from here. For Linux, you can download it from here, or again for Windows, it's on the very top. Alrighty, so once you have installed this XAMPP or WAMP for your Microsoft Windows, what you need to do, make sure you are running these services. So services are Apache and MySQL. Okay. So you can simply go ahead and look for a XAMPP control panel, launch it and run them. So at the moment they are running. I can stop them if I want, but I don't need to. Okay, so once the Apache and MySQL are running, what we need to do, basically go ahead and download this package, which is OpenCart package, freely available. So to download it, you simply go ahead and launch the browser. So I'm using Microsoft Edge Insider. You can use any browser and go to this website, which is opencart.com, and then hit on free download. Now click on download now here on the right in the middle and let it be downloaded. So what I've done for you, basically I've downloaded and extracted on my system. So what I'm going to say, cancel. So this is how you can download it, and once it's downloaded, locate the downloaded folder or zip folder like this one. This is how it's going to be on Microsoft Windows. Right click on it and extract all. So I can click on it, but I already have extracted. You can see it here. I'm going to say cancel. So once it's extracted, you want to open the folder and keep it aside. And then we can go ahead and put this in the root directory of this Apache server. So simply go ahead and open this PC for my computer on 7, and then go to C drive, wherever your XAMPP is installed, just open it and go to htdocs, and within this folder we need to create a new folder. You can create a new folder, copy paste everything from here, or you can go ahead and copy this whole extracted folder and put over here or paste in this htdocs folder. So it should take few seconds, I guess. In the meanwhile, what we will do, we will go ahead and create a new database. I think it's done. So what I'm going to do here, you can see it's been already in pasted in this folder. So what we are going to do, we are going to rename it. Okay, so I'm going to say simply OpenCart. Okay, and within this OpenCart we have all the required files and folders. You can see it here. I need it later on, so I'll keep it minimized here. Now we will go to this PC here and go to C drive. I'll keep it here, and then go to XAMPP, go to htdocs if you're using XAMPP, and then here we already have created one. You can look at that. Now in order to install this OpenCart on the system, we will need the database as well. So we will create the database in a while. So to create a database, we need to go to localhost first and then phpMyAdmin. So click on phpMyAdmin, create a new database. I'm going to say OpenShop. Okay, this is going to be by default on your system, so select it and create. So you can see we have OpenShop created. We also have a username which is root with no passwords, just for your information. We need to make some changes here, so go to this OpenCart folder here. Under uploads, this is where we are. So in htdocs, whatever name you have given to your OpenCart folder, then go to uploads and change the name. So we're going to change the name basically to config.php, from config-dist to config.php. Then again go under admin and change this config-dist.php to config.php. That's all at this moment. Just refresh this page here. I hope the process is simple now. So basically what we have done so far, we have installed the XAMPP server, we are running Apache and MySQL. We also have created a MySQL database, and after downloading the OpenCart, we have extracted it and put in the htdocs folder. In htdocs folder, we created a folder. Within that folder, we put all these extracted files and folders. Now go ahead and launch your browser and go to this localhost / the name of the folder and hit on upload. But don't forget to change the config-dist.php to config.php in the upload folder, and then go under admins folder as well. So here you can see it's basically nothing, that was just license agreement. So you clicked on continue, and now in this on this installation page you can see everything is checked like in green, so everything is perfect. You should not have any issue on Microsoft Windows computers if you have like rights to privileges to write on this directory, so htdocs then OpenCart. Okay, continue, and we here, this is basically driver to connect to the database which is defined in this OpenCart directory. So we have two drivers, MySQLi, which is by default enabled on our system, so I'm going to select it. If you know how to enable MPDO on PHP init, you can do that, otherwise go with this one. So we already have localhost as a host name, root as a username for the database, no password. Database is OpenShop, I guess. Yes, I remember it. Now that's the name of my database. You have to remember your database name. And username for this administration area, I'm going to keep it admin. Password is also going to be admin. Email address is going to be simple, easy to remember, and hit continue. Now it's asking you to delete your installation directory. So what we need to do, this is why I kept it minimized. So go to this htdocs and then whatever folder you have in here, and then go to uploads and delete this install permanently from here. That was installed folder, and now we can close things here. Now you can go ahead and have a look on the front page. This is how it looks now. Perfect. Now in order to get into the dashboard or administration area, we simply click on that, or you can simply go to /admin and then type in the username and the password, log in. There's one more thing we need to do here. Simply go to on this pop-up we have to select manually move or automatically. I'm going to keep it automatically, and then name whatever you want to give it, and I'm going to say shop and hit on move. Already exists, so I'm going to say OpenCart. And this is going to create a directory, and it shouldn't take a long time here. We are almost done. You can see it says success move successful is to your move modified to storage, the storage folder. Now we can go ahead and close it. So this is basically dashboard area. For products, you can click on catalog, and there are lots of different types of products you can add extensions. You can go to marketplace, or you can install your new extensions. Design, this is for layout, theme editor, language, banner, SEO, little bit of SEO. Sales, you have few options here. Customers, this is system settings. So if you go to settings, you got this one stored here. Select, edit it, and you can change few things here from. So I think this is it for this video. If you have any issue installing OpenCart locally on system, please leave a comment below. I will try to answer it ASAP. Thank you so much. Have a good day.